Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about a very serious vulnerability in Exchange 2019 and 2016. So those are the only, if you're still running on-premise Exchange, they announced the vulnerability. It was released, the vulnerability was released in mid-February of 2024. It has a CVE score of 9.8, so it's about as bad as it gets. To protect against this vulnerability, which is an elevation of privilege, so in other words, just a Jobo user can come in and then give themselves admin creds, and now you're sad because they can do things they shouldn't be doing, is to install Exchange 2019 cumulative update 14 as soon as possible. So if you are running on-prem Exchange 2019, make sure you get the cumulative update 14 installed as soon as you can. Make sure you get a backup. It does take a while to lay down the cumulative update, so you probably want to do it after hours. Don't do it in the middle of the day, or you'll have angry end users with pitchforks and torches coming after you. But anyway, also, if you're running Exchange 2016, you want to make sure you enable Exchange Extended Protection. I'll put a link here for more information about this vulnerability and how to properly protect against it. So basically, bottom line is if you're running Exchange 2019, get CU14 on as soon as possible. If you're running Exchange 2016, enable the Exchange Extended Protection. And I'll put a link to how you do that. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink hit the subscribe button, boink hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there. Patch your Exchange servers. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon.